delicious, crispy, spicy Jamaican fritters. You want to see how I achieve these? Just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For the newcomers coming on board, welcome. Please make it official. Tap the subscribe button so you won't miss another upload. So let's go straight to the video, guys. Saltfish already soaked. And here I have tomato, onion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and my scallion. And we're going to mince these. Let's mince these, guys. It's not a must to use onion, hence I'm using the scallion, but I'm going to add a small amount of minced onion as well. Optional. Optional, you can add it. So as you see, I have a small piece of onion. I'm not even going to use all of this. You don't need big chunks, guys. Mince it as fine as you can. Yeah. For the tomato, the same thing. Just using a piece of this tomato. And then mince it. For the hot pepper, depending on how spicy you need it, you put the onions. I need some spicy fritters this morning. Guys, caution when using the pepper. Careful not to touch your body after using this. Preferably wear gloves, okay? So all these prepped. This I'm going to shred off the leaves when I add my flour. Okay, the rest of ingredients we'll need is black pepper is a must. And our flour. We don't need baking powder, just the flour. Okay, so let's put this together, guys. For this we need our bowl, and I'm just eyeballing. I'm going to put, with this amount of saltfish, I'm going to use like 2 cups of flour. As I said, you can use a measuring cup, but I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, 2 cups of flour, roughly 2 cups of flour. I love a lot of black pepper in my fritters. For the thyme, we don't need the sprigs, we just need the leaves. So you try to get off the leaves. Yeah, and all these ingredients washed already. Next step is to add our minced spices and mix that to combine. The black pepper get in my nose, guys. And you just mix that together. Just mix this together. And the star of the show, our saltfish, it already been prepped. Get rid of most of the salt. And we're just going to thread it like this. See? Flake it up like this. I boil my saltfish, but optional, you can put it to soak overnight. Rinse it and put it to soak overnight. But I'm in a fasting now. And we're just going to add water now to this. Optional, guys, you can put some turmeric. But I'm making the traditional fritters. So just pour your water and mix. Not too runny, not too thick. Just need a bit more water. This is the consistency that we need for our stamp and go or our fresh fritters. This is the consistency we need. Let me taste it because I didn't add salt. Wow, spicy. I'm just going to sprinkle just a bit of salt, not a lot, because it seems like my saltfish soaked too much. Yeah, we're ready for frying now. Our frying pan heating up. Now we're going to add oil. And allow that to heat up so we can start. Now we're going to drop our fritters. You can drop them as small as you want and as big as you want. We're going to fry these on both sides until they are golden brown and crispy. Now we're going to flip these, guys. Now we can remove these. Brown and crispy on both sides. And we place on a plate, line with paper towel. Drain off the excess oil. And we just continue frying. Just continue frying. And I'll come back at the end of the video. I'm done frying, guys. See, on both sides. So let me plate these up. Here is the finished product, guys. Tell me in the comment section in your part of the world or which country you're from, what you call this. We call this stamp and go or fritters in Jamaica. Do a taste test. Yeah, these are very delicious, guys. Yes, crispy on both sides, a little bit spicy as I love it. So if you enjoy this one, please like the video, share the video, please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you to all my returning supporters. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel, put your bell on so you become an official member of the family. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.